I just built a fully operational trading system using an AI called Claude Fable 5. And really, what I've been able to build over the past couple of months is so freaking insane. I'm very happy to show it to you because with this, you can basically analyze charts, build any sort of strategy on your own, backtest any strategy, forward test any strategy, and also make it in a really nice sort of operating system like the one you can see in front of yourself right here. Just out of the example I've decided to showcase, so you can see one trade is now being taken. It's specifically an XRP trade that's being taken right now. But of course, there's potential for way more, and that's also what the bots are always scanning for. Now, essentially what this all comes down to in its purest form is just connecting any sort of AI, and I personally like to use Claude, which you can see over on the right, to TradingView, which you can see over on the left. And this allows you to do a whole bunch of things, and to just name a couple of examples, you can now tell your Claude, your AI, I want you to look at a chart and tell me what you see. I want you to analyze a chart. I want you to start drawing things into the chart. You can be very specific about what you want. Maybe you like Fibonacci's. Maybe you like certain sequences. Maybe you like just certain trend lines. The AI, especially now that Fable is out there, can most likely do it all. And this is what I keep saying in almost every single one of the videos I make. If you are not using this for your trading, right now you can still get away with it. I don't think everybody needs to use AI just quite yet. But over the next couple of months, you won't be able to get around it. Like right now, it's mostly the bigger firms that have been using AI to the core for a long time. And it's starting to become a bigger and bigger thing. There's so many people that still think that it's just noise. No, you don't need it. Well, the thing is, I can test so many more strategies at the same time as a person not using AI, mostly because of pattern recognition. Now, one thing I will state is that one extremely powerful computer, even having no AI, could theoretically speaking do a whole bunch of testing too, because, well, as long as you've got your own trading strategy already in place, and all you need to do is really backtest it, in theory, all you need is one little nice Python script to actually continuously run something over and over and over, and as long as your data is reliable, well, if there's not that many new variables, then AI is not that important. But what if we were to try 1 million different trading strategies? Or let's just start in the basics, 10,000, or maybe 4,000 if you want to just be a little bit more manual about it, whatever. Well, you can't really do that simply put with a Python script. It's just on its own really not possible. You need a ton of different ones. You actually need to build out entire engines, which is possible without AI, but extremely hard, extremely rigorous, and well, it will probably not be as good as what I've been able to build here in an afternoon, the operating system, just what you're seeing right here, not the backend data. And that's actually what I've been building over on bottrading.net. Right now, it's not live yet. All you can do is just sign up and get yourself how exactly you can connect your Claude, connect one of these AIs to TradingView, because in essence, that's the most important part. You being able to, in plain English, talk with the chart. You think of a strategy, just insert it in there and it will show up in your screen. I mean, I've got a couple of different charts that could just showcase to you. All these lines right here, right? Every single thing right here is fully generated with AI. Turned out to be pretty freaking accurate, right? Or every single one of these buys and sells was a strategy fully made with AI. All these texts right here were fully made with AI. I didn't touch these charts. So the time that you can save by using this is insane, and also because it's way more precise than a human would ever be, because it has the actual data. But soon, what I want to mostly showcase on here is how to come up with a proper trading strategy on your own. I'll talk about it briefly today, but more expand upon that. But most importantly, how you can test a ton, what works, what doesn't, it's all provable. And also just how to prompt to actually be able to insert your own trading strategy into an ad to backtest it automatically, and how to deviate, how to change all these things. That's all the stuff that I'm building. But here's a little bit of a rundown. So the first thing, if you want to get started with this, is of course you're going to need Claude. Once you've got that one set up, and I would recommend you to download it to make your whole life a lot easier, and you've downloaded the desktop version of TradingView. If you do not know how to do this, take a little bit of time, find yourself the freaking TradingView, download, get it, and most likely, once you insert the prompt that you find on the link down below, it's just one simple prompt to install the connection between TradingView and Claude. If you do not want to go to the website itself, you're just looking for exactly what to type in, you can actually also on GitHub just find the 𝗏𝗏𝗏 TradingView MCP in case you're just more interested in that part. You follow whatever it says right there in that little guide. It'll ask you to refresh a couple of times. You can see the whole documentation over on GitHub as well, as in the whole guide on how to install it is in here. It's actually just literally a copy paste of this. It's as simple as that. That's how you got it. You need to probably refresh a couple of times. And then on its own already, you can start prompting your Claude like what I've done right here. This is just one very simple example, but I can really just do anything that I could also do manually in terms of stuff on TradingView. For example, hey, you know what? Write me a script for a certain strategy. It'll go ahead and do it. And you can actually also see some of the screenshots if you want it, but more importantly, you can adjust things as you go. I've got a nice little instructions file for yourself. I would save this as if I were you as a markdown file. Just save it as a file or as a zip or whatever, so you can actually feed it into your Claude, or save it in a project file that you're working in already to just make sure you can keep referencing to this. This is not a requirement. This just is a couple of rules I've put in place to make sure that whatever trading strategy you insert, or whenever you start talking with Claude right now for TradingView, that it's not completely stupid. Because as you can see, aim for between 30 and 200 trades. Is that good? Not necessarily. It could be. It's just, if I didn't insert this, maybe you get a strategy back with like 1 trade in 7 years. That's obviously not that valuable. Or a strategy that has 15,000 trades in a freaking month, not valuable because the fees would eat it up alive. And then what I've also given out here, you can actually find this in the link down below, all these prompts as well, is a couple of different strategies you can just test out for yourself. Or rather, specifically what I've got right here is actually how I was able to build a strategy, a 3 indicator strategy, in a couple of different steps. So for example, first, I just do the EMA trend. Then I'm like, I want to change it. So define it in a different way, or refine it in a certain way. I also want to add an RSI, add an ATR trailing stop. And if I just wanted to do it all in one, I could also do it. But you can actually ask Claude to come up with a couple of different trading strategies and then let them compare them against one another and just go from there. Now, this is again an example, all right? Don't think this is what I've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on and countless hours over the past couple of months with my team to build. This is just for fun, an example of things you could build in a couple of seconds, all right? Any Claude connection to TradingView can come up with these strategies most likely in a couple of minutes. I just had to chart them out and give them to you here, and just to showcase what they may look like and to prove a point that just because the numbers look good, plus 670%, plus 2,800%, doesn't actually mean it's good. And another fun fact here, let's just say this strategy has 2,522% profit, with a win rate of 40%, maxed out on a 56%. You know that I can actually fine-tune this strategy if I just keep trying slight deviations from this, where eventually it'll turn out to be the best strategy ever. And that's something overfitting. And this is actually the most important thing you'll learn about trading today in case you did not know. And that is that if you just try enough strategies out there, there'll be plenty of them that look good. The hard part is finding something that's not luck, or at least that has a very low probability of being mostly luck. And there's many calculations for that. As I just told you, I've now by this point tested, well, mostly tens of thousands of main strategies. These are just compilations of every single thing you can think of, but also now at this point, hundreds of thousands, if not millions, it's not in the multiple millions, it's 1 point something million, different variations of said strategies with, at this point, billions of different data points. This has been the costliest project I've ever done in my life, but also the most fun because obviously it's a whole new world that just opens up. And it all came from just being able to connect my Claude to TradingView and realizing the potential is now limitless. And I really think that after a few weeks, I realized, ooh, this stuff is hard. But then the moment you get to that point, you realize if it's really hard for me, and I've been spending months now on it, or at that point, weeks, let's say, and I've spent crazy amounts of money on it, and it's just wrecking my brain, even though this is literally what I spend my university studying for, what I've had interested in for the past 15 years of my life. This is what I've been doing all the time. And it's really super hard for me. Most likely not that many people are actually doing this. I'm not saying that not many people are connecting their Claude to TradingView. That's probably thousands of people have done that already, right? Maybe tens of thousands by now. But if you really start diving deep into this small subsection of optimizing strategies with the power of AI now and combining AI with their trading, there's a couple of big firms, there's a couple of cool guys in the game that know how to do it well, but really, it's quite a small number of people. And so when I explain this now to y'all, many of you will sit there and think, yeah, cool. I'll think about it. When now I'm telling you, this is one of those opportunities where most likely in 6 months from now, you'll really regret that you didn't start earlier, because it's just once you get started, once you start understanding it a little bit, that you see how much potential there is. And if you never do, if you never take your first step, you'll never really know what you're missing. Now, in terms of an exchange, I actually still just trade over on 𝗏𝗏, and here's the thing. I actually made a video a couple of weeks ago about how to also connect your AI to 𝗏𝗏. Now, or Bybit, matter of fact, you could do it too if you want. I also have a link down below to Bybit, but specifically for 𝗏𝗏, I already made a video tutorial about how exactly you can connect the two, because it's extremely simple. And I really think is just the future of trading. I really think the manual way, it's gonna be outphased not too long from now, because you'll just not be able to compete with people that optimize better using AI. But the counter to that is, well, most people that trade are not actually that good. So if you've already got something working, well, then you can just become significantly better. But theoretically speaking, since there'll always be that many losers, yeah, I mean, you don't have to use AI. I'm just saying it can make your life so much better, in my opinion, for traders, that is. So there's a couple of levels to it, right? There's a level 1 of just being able to draw some stuff into a chart, extremely simple. And I'd like to say that, for example, building a really profitable trading strategy, look at this one. It's up 1.8 million in the last decade or so. Wow, that's pretty good, right? 18,000%. Not really. It's actually about finding out what exactly makes a strategy good or bad, and knowing how to extrapolate that data into something that could hopefully be beneficial to you, which is, again, well, just because you have access to AI, it doesn't make you a really good trader. But if you were a really good trader before and you have access to AI, it makes you an absolute genius trader. And for anybody that was mediocre at trading before, well, the way I call it is, it right now gives you a fighting chance. And even if you're not going to connect anything to your actual exchanges, just being able to do backtests, just being able to aggregate data, just to be able to right now think, you know what? I want to build a trading overview, which I've also done. I've built almost anything out there that I like to use in my day-to-day life. You can now build it in a couple of seconds. If you want every single one of your trades to always be tracked, you know exactly what went wrong, what could do better, yabba-dabba-doo, very easy to build. But anyway, I left the links to whatever you need down below. I left the prompts down below as well. If you've got questions, leave them down below, and I'll probably get to them, because this is literally the biggest passion I've ever had for any sort of project in many, many years. And so I also like to be around like-minded people who have been working with this for a long time, or who are really passionate in hopefully making their strategies better. Happy to provide all the strategies I've been testing out and everything I've been doing to you. And I hope it's a lot of people, because then there's a lot of optimizing to do, but hopefully not too many people, so I can actually, you know, keep up. But yeah, if you enjoyed it, make sure you press the like button, and I'll hopefully see you guys again in another video somewhere later today.